If you are a Nigerian answering survey questions online, you will notice that there are always problems with surveys. Some surveys are mainly US based or foreign based. You will notice that if you are from Nigeria, there are limits to surveys that you can access. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a Nigerian survey site where you can start earning money as a Nigerian, and you are going to earn in Naira. And earning on this platform is very easy. Let me show you the website. The name of the website is surveyor.com, and it's very easy to sign up on this site. You can either use your Gmail to sign up on this site or use your Facebook account. So let me show you how you can start earning on surveyor.com. You can earn up to 1,000 naira every day on this platform. So let's go to the video. Let me show you how you can start earning at least 1,000 naira every day on this platform. Let's go there. You want to make money on surveyor.com? Let me walk you through the various options that you need to know to make money on surveyor.com. So let's go to surveyor.com. Click on the first link that says appsurveyor.com, not the sponsored ad. If you're a new user here, all you need to do is to sign up using your Gmail account, or you can sign up by putting your email and password. So for this website, I'm going to sign in through my Gmail. So I am signed in already. What I'll do now is to access my dashboard. To access the survey site, click the link in the description and it will take you to appsurveyor.com. So from my page here, as you can see, I have already earned 194 naira from the task I perform. And the information here says when you reach 35,000 naira, you can get your money back by clicking the button above. So you need to reach the minimum of 35,000 naira before you can cash out. So let's navigate through to see the different options that you need to know to start making money on surveyor.com. From the dashboard here, you can see paid surveys, my bonus, history, membership, my accounts, money withdrawal, latest winner, frequently asked questions, and logout. So I want to click on paid surveys. So from here you can access any of the surveys that you wish to perform. Once you have read their terms and conditions, you click on I completely understand, and you can now start your survey. So this survey, this particular one, will earn me 48 naira. So let's click on this survey. And let us perform tasks on this survey. How much total combined annual income do all members of a household earn before? Unfortunately, we could not find a survey for your profile. Try again later. So there are some surveys with this information. We couldn't find a survey for your profile, so you have to be patient. So that is how you can access your paid surveys. Let's go to my bonus. So from my bonus, You can see the various bonus that I've already gotten, or the various bonus that have been credited to my account. Back to dashboard. From dashboard, let's click on history. When you click on history, it will show a list of the tasks that you have performed. Here are the list of survey that I have performed on surveyor.com. Membership. When you click on membership, the membership page, this is where you can share your link, and let's read the info. Absolutely exclusive and never seen on the internet. Sponsor your friends and get 10% of the earning for life. You heard right, 10% of the earning for life. Be original, use social networks, word of mouth, make YouTube videos, use Instagram, use your blog to sponsor as many people as possible and increase your earning exponentially. The more you sponsor, the more cash you will collect. So using this referral link here, you can earn more on surveyor.com. Let's go back to our dashboard. When you click on my account, you can access your profile and your notifications. So let's go to money withdrawal. So to withdraw from this platform, you must have a minimum of 35,000. Latest winners. Lists of latest winners on surveyor.com. We have people from Yemen, United States of America, Brazil, Canada, Senegal, and so on and so on. Let's go to frequently asked questions. So if you want to know more about survey or you have issues on this platform, this is where you can access those information. And the final one here is logouts. So if you want to log out from this platform, you have to click this option logout and automatically you'll be logged out of this page. This is my earning. I just downloaded the app today and this is how much I've earned. What this app actually needs is consistency. Once you are consistent, you continue to accumulate more money in your survey accounts. Consistency is the key. That was all for appsurvey.com. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. If you are getting value from this video, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get notified. Thank you very much.